Hi everyone. So in today's video, we're going to see about how to restart your career in 2026. So far, we came across this entire AI LLM transition from machine learning and data science. So somewhat we cope up with these things, including me. I struggled a lot to get into this transition because traditional ML things would be like you collect data, you train it, and you build model from scratch. Everything's like from your end. But this LLM is like you give data and it gets back things for you. But still, we are lacking in numerical data. We don't have proper LLMs for that, and also for data cleaning and stuff for other data types. Anyways, we are completely focusing on these text data now, and we have to completely rely on that. There were like a lot of issues that we faced, including doubting about job security and the future. How many number of employees are going to lay off from for because of these automations and stuff. But the truth is, it didn't happen. It is not going to happen. They cannot run a company without humans. So they were like completely sorted that things out. But how to update yourself for these kind of upgradation? Even there are like a lot of models that is going to come. There are models that going to come in future. For that, we need to update ourselves. Without doing that, we can't survive in this industry, including me, I'm saying. So, how to do that? First thing, try to follow blogs which is published after 2023 towards data science, everything we have like the Medium, Analytics Vidya. So these are blogs which were there before, but they kept rolling out with the same topics about LLM, and all that Vertex AI. So what you need to do is try to follow pages which published, I mean, released after 2025. And if you are going through any research paper which released by Anthropic, Google, or anyway, just go and see the reference. Those papers will be having the citations will be there. So just go and refer those papers so that you will get topics. You can't just go and buy a book and read those things, the back end questions, reading those. No, it won't work like that. You won't understand the new packages. There are like a number of packages came after this LLM stuff. So go and refer these pages and the research papers, citations, and those reference papers. So you can just continue with that. This is one. And blogs is another thing. And YouTube channel, they are not focusing on topics and algorithms anymore. We're not concentrating on algorithms anymore because back then we had this logistic regression, random forest, those things we need to understand. Even in interviews, they'll ask like how these classification happen, how many epochs that needed, like what is learning rate and all they'll ask. But here, what they are actually asking is about the deployment part and memory usage to build any or use any LLMs, the size of data for large LLM models that you're training with, and how many seconds it is taking to respond back, and for fine tuning, what all the procedures to follow, and GPT model, the latest and current trends about this LLM, because nobody knows like how it is actually happening. So make sure you do your projects uh, then and now. Then and now, in the sense, like if you're experienced, you should have projects in ML and data science. Then, after this 2023, the fancy year, 2023, you should have the LLM projects after that. So, make sure you have everything in your resume and consolidate. Ask ChatGPT to refine your text and make sure you are included everything and post it in LinkedIn or any platform that you are like going on with. So, research is important, I know, but these kind of things that you need to do in a smart way so that you will get noted from it. So, one not only YouTube videos you're watching and learning about algorithms will work, but these kind of things also will work. So, you need to upgrade yourself by doing a lot of research on topics. You should know what is what. That's all it needs. Like where to use, how to use. Because for a single data set, we can have multiple algorithms, right? Like we can try multiple algorithms. Same thing for AI also. So, understand, just ask Claude or Gemini to create a syllabus for you, particularly for you, based on the resume. You just upload your resume and just create a syllabus for you and ask it to make a pattern. I mean, the duration, how long it will take, and what it need to be done. So just make a syllabus for yourself based on the resume that you have, not like general topics or syllabus that you know that you do a search in a web page or anywhere. They'll have everything, right? In interviews, they'll ask only the things that you have in your resume. So just ask ChatGPT or any LLMs, just ask for the syllabus, what you need to do, and that. Deployment part is very important. Any cloud, platform, AWS, GCP, or anything, and Docker. These are very important. Previously, we don't need to know all these, but now we are focusing more on these things just to secure our job. We need to learn everything, uh, just like ML ops, right? You just build a model, you use LLM or your own pickle file or anything. You need to deploy it. So there's entire pipeline you should aware of Kubernetes. Learn out all these things. The videos are already available. The sources are already available. You can go through that and have everything in your hand. So last, but it is very important. Still, people are considering that even though there are like vibe coding and other stuff there, you need to know programming. And in programming, data structure is must. Just understand the graph theory, like how to is the shortest path, those things. Just have knowledge about that. These are like very important. The memory usage, like data structures, which is mainly focusing on this shortest path, like how many shortcut are there to reach this particular destination. So these kind of memory consuming, memory reducing algorithms, map reduce, those things, just understand that and practice those algorithms. Just understand like which is optimized one, and practice those codes. And it may be any language, but Python is the one which we prefer generally, right, for AI and ML. So have that, practice well, and that's all. You can get hired, or you can secure the place where you are currently in. There is no need to worry about job and all. Future is AI, and just learn happily because we are in a very safe place and we don't need to worry about our future. And because everything is AI, everything's going to be AI. They have started making movies in AI, so you don't have to worry about. There are like a lot of job opportunities out there. All you need to do is just be uh, conscious, reading all these topics, remember everything, and practice well. That's all you need to do. And just be expressive in your knowledge. Share your knowledge so that people will know this person knows everything about it. That is the actual, ID for you, like advertisement for you. So you need to do your advertisement by showing your knowledge, sharing your knowledge. That's all. So yeah, that's all I have. Take care, practice well. If you need any help, just comment below, or you can follow me in Discord. Ask questions. To ask questions, I'll reply.